Welcome back to Volleyball Forever. I'm Russi Villalta, and today we're going to talk about the top spin serve. Now this is a progression video, so you need to see some of the videos before. But I want everybody to realize that I'm going to repeat the same exact cues so that you can now serve overhand. This is a top spin overhand serve for volleyball. Now if you struggle to throw a ball, then you're going to end up struggling to serve this ball also. But I can get you to mechanically serve this ball correctly with a lighter ball and a wall and the distance so that you can keep working on that strategy. So I'm going to show you right now. So volleyball players, what you need to remember is that the toss is the hardest thing, and that's what needs to be practiced all the time. And you have to put them in repetition over and over and over. So basically, I'm in a V, I drop step back, I put my ball hand and I present the ball. I make sure that my arm is up front, I come up with the hand, I open up my elbow because it opens up my hip, and then I serve. And now I do have drills like this where they catch the ball with their left hand or they catch it with their right hand, just so that they can focus exactly where it goes. My volleyball players, don't forget when you are tossing it, the arm is extended high so that you can toss the ball 2 feet higher than the arm extended. And that's the key to individually having everybody serve the ball where they're supposed to be serving. Okay, so that's just a quick reminder.
Quick review, V back, arm up high, elbow at a 45, I toss and I swing through. Let's see it again. And now I don't really have to move my feet anymore if I do this properly. Watch again. And if you notice, I'm snapping my wrist and following through. Past my thigh.
Now if you notice, I'm not even talking about the wrist snap, but that would be a complete top spin serve. All right, until my next video, press like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next skill. We definitely have to be working on our approaches. So see you next week.